Hello class 9 children. Now as you all know, we have started entrepreneurship skills, that is unit 4 in part A, employability skills. Now yesterday I told you about what is an entrepreneur and what is entrepreneurship. Now today we will be doing session 2, that is role of entrepreneur. Again, I would like to tell you that entrepreneur is a person who takes the initiative of starting a business at a small level, and then he moves on to the slowly to the bigger level or large scale. So now what is the role of entrepreneur? How he is useful to the society? How he is useful to the country? Now first is economic development. Money in circulation. As entrepreneurs create value by making available better and cheaper products and services for customers, the economy grows. That means that since at cheaper prices they are making some products available for the people, so the economy is growing. As entrepreneurs grow their business, investors put money into their businesses and expect good returns. So as more and more entrepreneurs create business opportunities, the business grows and the economy grows. So first is economic development. Now next is social development, that is creation of jobs for people. Now an entrepreneur, he starts any business at a very small level. If it becomes successful, it grows, and that is your entrepreneur, he expands the business. As the business is growing, it will be needing more work to be done, and so it will be creating more jobs for the people. So good quality jobs lead to more people earning money and having a good life. So it helps in the social development also. Now third is improved standard of living. More things available to live a comfortable life. Now when entrepreneurs, after starting their business, they start selling the products like a tractor, a mobile phone, it helps the people live a more comfortable life. For example, a small village did not have good quality soap, because of which the villagers used to fall sick. So an entrepreneur started going to the city, collected antibacterial soap from the city and sold it to the villages. The people started using the soap for hand washing, and as a result, there were less incidences of people falling sick. So it helps in improving the standard of living of people. Similarly, we can take other example. In a village, people were doing farming with same old ways, using bullock carts for plowing the field, bulls for plowing the field. Now with an entrepreneur went there, he saw the conditions there, and he started up a company that started selling tractors there. So the villagers will buy them, and then their work will become more easy and more productive with less efforts, saving their time as well as costs. So this will lead to improved standard of living. Now next role of an entrepreneur is optimal use of resources. Now optimal means using the resources to their best. Now there are two types of resources, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable are that can be replenished by the nature. For example, wind energy, solar energy, heat, your wind, solar, then your water energy, all these are renewable sources of energy. While non-renewable refers to those that once they are finished, they cannot be renewed. Your coal, petrol, diesel, LPG, all these. Now entrepreneurs keep working to find optimal ways of using these resources to reduce the costs and increase their profits. For example, now solar cookers are coming, plus solar heaters are coming in the market. So these are helping people use the resources to their optimal level, and plus they are saving the non-renewable sources of energy also. Now next is more benefits at lower prices, products and services at competitive prices. Now as an entrepreneur compete in the market, prices of products come down. For example, a phone which used to cost at least 20,000 earlier when phones were first launched. Now many of the people are making phones. They have many of the people have mobile companies. So now these phones, they have come to a rate that is 4,000 and even less. So these entrepreneurs are giving more benefits at lower prices, products and services at competitive prices. So children, these are the roles of an entrepreneur. That is basically how the entrepreneur is helpful to the society. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.